Anytype versus Capacities versus Obsidian. Which productivity tool is better? I'm going to tell you about Anytype, Capacities, and Obsidian. Three powerful tools rethinking how we manage knowledge and productivity. Anytype is like a local first notion. It's privacy focused, works offline, and gives you full control over your data. You create objects, pages, notes, tasks, and link them together in a visual, networked way. Still in development, but super promising. Capacities is built for connected thinking. It automatically organizes content by type, like notes, people, media, and shows relationships between them. It's sleek, AI assisted, and great for those who think in categories and connections. Obsidian is the most established. It's a markdown based note system that turns your files into a knowledge graph. Lightweight, fully local, and endlessly extendable through plugins. Great for power users and those who like to tinker. So which is better? Anytype for privacy and structure, Capacities for visual, AI enhanced workflows, Obsidian for raw speed and flexibility. All three are built for thinking deeply. Pick the one that matches how you think.